Hey everybody, it's Tony with Blacktop Magazine. I tell you what, we're here at the Main Street Garden Grove Car Show. Time for Man on Main Street, and I got my friend Steve.
There's the man.
I got my friend Steve Yarber here in his really neat van. So the question tonight is, Steve, stock versus custom.
Well, I had to purchase this thing custom built from the factory, so it was stock at one time. But I had to have an interior, so I guess it's custom now.
All right. Thanks, Steve. So there it is, stock versus custom. I think we got right now, first one, custom.
Okay.
All right. All right. Hey, everybody, it's Tony with Blacktop Magazine, and I'm here with Hank at the Main Street Garden Grove Car Show, and he's got a really nice truck here. And so as the man on Main Street, the question today is for you, Hank, stock versus custom.
For me, it's stock.
Right on.
For me, it's stock. Okay. I love stock cars.
Right. Well, it looks nice. I mean, it looks like it's all stock here.
Pretty much.
Right.
Yeah, that's it.
And so, through the years, you've had different cars, and most of them have been stock?
Yeah, a lot of them have been stock, but I've gotten crazy with a few. But all in all, my heart, it stays with the stock.
Right on. And you like that because of the way the manufacturer did it? It's fine?
Yeah, I mean, the lines of the car, just the to me, it's always been the paint and the wheels, maybe the height of the car or the truck, and makes a difference to me.
And that's about it. Other than that, it's stock.
Other than that, it's stock, yeah.
Right on. Thanks, Hank.
Thank you.
All right.
Tony.
Hey, everybody, it's Tony with Blacktop Magazine. We're here at Main Street, and it's Man on Main Street night, and I just met
John Fitters.
John
the
Fitters.
Man.
The man with the Corvette. And our question tonight is Man on Main Street is stock versus custom.
Oh, it's custom.
Yeah.
There's no stock about this car. So.
I saw under the hood. It looks really good, but there's something else about it that you're saying is the very first Corvette to have
Lambo doors.
Crazy. And how long ago did they put those on?
About 21 years ago. They sponsored me, so it didn't cost me a dime.
That's always the best. Right on. Well, thanks, man. I really appreciate it. All right.
Thank you very much. Appreciate
You're welcome.
it.
Thank you.
Hi, I'm Christina Michelle. Thanks for watching Blacktop TV. Ciao.
Hey everybody, it's Tony with Blacktop Magazine. We're here at the historic Main Street Car Show, and I got Gary Shaw here. Hello.
Hello. How you doing, guys?
Doing great. So our question for Man on Main Street tonight is stock versus custom.
Custom all the way.
All right. And I see your really nice 55 Chevy here, so tell me a little bit about the car.
The car is a 55 Chevy gasser, straight axle. It's got a 468 big block, 2.4 tunnel rim, and it's a fun little street car. It used to be a quarter car, but now it's just a fun go-to-car show.
Fantastic. And so not much that's stock about this car anymore, huh?
There is, I don't think, anything stock on this car.
Maybe some of the body panels.
Maybe the steel. There you go.
Right. Very good. Well, nice to talk to you. Very good. Thank you, Gary.
Yeah, thank you. I appreciate it. You have a good night, and, everybody out there, hey, come out and join the fun.
That's right. Join the fun. Stock or custom. All right. Hey, everybody, it's Tony with Blacktop Magazine. We're here at the historic Main Street Car Show, and I'm here with the Hooligans.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. And so tonight's question on Man on Main Street is stock versus custom.
Easy.
Right.
Custom.
Always custom.
Yeah.
Stock.
Custom.
All right. Wait. Stock? You're only one stock guy out of here.
Depends on what year we're talking.
Okay, so it depends on year. What is it about stock, or let's go with custom first, since all you guys are. What is it about custom you dig so much?
Well, they're different than most cars. They're all kind of spend a little money on them.
Well, it's all somebody's individual car that they've made for themselves, not for somebody else, but for themselves, so they've taken care of the motor, brakes, everything, so that they can paint it all up and make it look nice.
Custom?
He's expelled with the stock answer.
No more in the club?
No.
He's
Stock authenticity. That's what you want. All steel, looking good.
Okay.
The guy that drives a plastic Jag.
None of that's true. He has all false teeth. There's nothing stock about him.
Right on. This is another opportunity to hear Man on Main Street and stock versus custom. Really appreciate you guys.
Oh, yeah.
All right.
Hi, I'm Pinky Swear, and thank you for watching Blacktop TV.